Chili Cutter. Introducing the high-speed chili cutter, your solution for quickly and precisely slicing chilies into perfect cross-sections. This machine features a versatile front cover, allowing you to handle chilies of various sizes. Turn the switch on to activate the machine's rapid slicing action. Simply load your chilies into the feed chute. Observe as the machine swiftly processes the chilies, slicing them into uniform cross-sections. Within moments, you'll have beautifully sliced chili rounds, ready to enhance your culinary creations. With its high-speed planetary rotation and round blade, the high-speed chili cutter performs delicate and uniform cuts without damaging the chilies, keeping them fresh for longer. Each slice is consistent, ensuring even cooking and presentation in every dish. You can easily adjust the slicing thickness by turning the adjusting screws to get your desired cut. This automatic machine streamlines your kitchen prep, saving you valuable time and effort. Enhance your kitchen with this high-speed chili slicing machine today.